Welcome back to the channel. So in this episode of What We're Bodging, we're going to be taking a look at what's been going on in March. First of all, I've been extremely busy trying to get this finished. I've actually managed to get a build done for a change. So we've got the custom scale OEM parts for Tamiya's Peugeot 306. Wheels, mirrors, spoilers, light buckets, all finalised, all finished. So I've actually been getting a few orders in for those as well. And of course my switch mounts and intercooler kits as well. I am still editing the video for this, which is the L&L 306 with the OEM upgrades, light buckets, mirrors, spoiler. All these parts have been confirmed to fit an original Tamiya body, which I've got brand new. I've also been putting together kits for the spoilers, depending on which version you have. That comes with the tape. Kits for the light buckets, they're all finalised now, ready to go. Also the mirrors, so they're ready to go. Along with the mirror decals already cut out, so they're supplied with them. More videos on those are coming soon. I've also been working on some more custom parts for Peter Smith over at CW01 Creations. So these are the custom body mounts that he wanted for fitting his transit body on one of his G601 chassis. This was the length of the body post that he needed. So rather than using the original post and the extension, we've got these. So I know they're a bit over engineered, but at least I know they're going to be sturdy, and they've also been customised. So if you haven't seen his build on that, pop over to his channel. I'll put a link in the description. Go and take a look. He's got a few G601 chassis, doing some interesting stuff with them, from 4-wheel steer, 4-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive. Go and take a look. And of course I've been designing and printing wheels again. So we've got some M chassis size 3 SDMs. Now I needed a body to go with it. I've already got a chassis, needed a body. So we're going to switch over to the next part of the video. For the next bit of what we're bodging, we've had to come out of the garage because there's no way this lot would fit in there. So a few deliveries, including TTO2 drift kit with the Supra. There's some goodies in that box as well, which you may have seen in the unboxing video. If you haven't, go and take a look at that. That came along with the R34 body, which I've already got a plan for that. I know where I'm going with that one. I also forgot to untick the S15 body out my AliExpress order. Whoops, that turned up. I also needed a mini body to go with the MO3. As always, I've been designing and printing. So we've got some 3 SDMs, M chassis size. I've done them in the 52mm as well. I need a chassis and a body to put them on. So we're going to see how they look on the Mini. Might look alright, to be fair. We'll find out. And of course, BTO1 Tamiya Peugeot 306. You already know I've been working on bits and pieces for that. You may have seen in the previous videos, including mirrors, wheels, front and rear light buckets, and OEM spoilers as well. So the body's been worked on for that. So we've already got one to go on it. But as you can see, it's been a very busy month this month with the 3D printers, but I did actually manage to get a build done. So it's a bit of an improvement over the last couple of months. What's next? As you can tell, we had the 306 delivered. So we're going to see about getting some mounts done to get this mounted on there, as we don't really want to put no holes in the body. So I think we're going to mag mount it. I'd just like to say, if you are one of those that has purchased something off the store for your builds, thank you very much. And if you haven't, have a look on there, see if you want to give any of your builds a little scale touch. And on that note, I'm going to end the video there. I've got a load of editing to do, along with some printing, of course. Thanks for watching. Give me a comment, give me a like, subscribe, all the rest of it. And I'll see you in the next one.